Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 5/8/2019 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in regular second appeal number 1727 of 2016, by which, the High Court has allowed the said appeal preferred by the original defendant and has set aside the judgment and order passed by the First Appellate Court as well as the Trial Court, decreeing the suit for recovery of rupees 1,36,000. The original plaintiff has preferred the present appeal. Stop para. The appellant herein, original plaintiff, instituted the suit against the respondent original defendant for recovery of rupees 1 lakh. Stop. It was the case on behalf of the plaintiff that the defendant has borrowed a sum of rupees 1 lakh from him on 29/6/2007 and has also executed a pronote Exhibit 1 and receipt Exhibit P2 in favor of the plaintiff. Stop. The defendant denied the execution of pronote and took the stand that no loan was taken by the defendant, and in fact the transaction was in between the father of the plaintiff and the defendant had paid the whole amount borrowed by him from the father of the plaintiff. Stop. The learned trial court framed the relevant issues. Stop para. An appreciation of evidence. The learned trial court believed the execution of pronote executed by the defendant in favor of the plaintiff and consequently decreed the suit. Stop. The appeal filed by the defendant before the learned First Appellate Court came to be dismissed. Stop. In the second appeal under Section 100 of Code of Civil Procedure, the High Court has interfered with the concurrent findings recorded by both the courts below on execution of the pronote by the defendant in favor of the plaintiff solely on the ground that attesting witness to the pronote has not been examined. Therefore, the content of the pronote has not been proved and consequently has allowed the second appeal. Stop para. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant original plaintiff has vehemently submitted that in the facts and circumstances of the case, the High Court has erred in upsetting and or quashing the concurrent findings recorded by both the courts below on execution of the pronote by the defendant in favor of the plaintiff, in exercise of power under Section 100 of CPC. Stop para. It is submitted that when the findings on facts were recorded by both the courts below on execution of pronote by the defendant in favor of the plaintiff, which as such were on appreciation of evidence on record, more particularly, the testimony of PW3, the same was not required to be interfered with by the High Court in exercise of powers under Section 100 of CPC. Stop para. It is submitted that in the deposition of PW3 is considered as a whole, it is apparent that PW3 deed writer has specifically stated that when he asked the defendant as to whether he had received the money, then the defendant admitted the receipt of money. Stop. It is submitted in that view of the matter and the deposition of PW1 plaintiff and the deposition of deed writer PW3, the execution of pronote and even the content of payment of the consideration mentioned in the pronote has been established and proved.